We are from Newcastle in Japan. Our Newcastle is called Shinshiro. We will introduce Japan and Shinshiro briefly. Japan is an island country in East Asia, located in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. Japan consists of 4 major islands and 6,800 smaller islands, covering about 378,000 square kilometers. Japan is almost the same size as Germany. The population of Japan is about 126.5 million. The capital of Japan is Tokyo, where you can enjoy both of cutting-edge and retro atmosphere at the same time. It takes around 2 hours from Tokyo to Shinshiro by bullet train. The total area of Shinshiro is 499 square kilometers, and its population is about 46,000. We are proud of Shinshiro's beautiful nature, rich history, and traditions inherited from our ancestors. Let's discover amazing spots in Shinshiro with us. This is Chiwa Valley. It's famous for beautiful water in the river. The rocky Chiwa Mountain is 670 meters high and has several caves. There is a network of walkways in the cave, and you can enjoy the stunning sight of many Kano statues standing in line. The largest cave has breast-like stalactites hanging from ceiling. It is why this rock was named Chiwa.
Nana means 7 and Taki means waterfall. This mysterious waterfall comprises 7 small falls, and that is why this is called Atera no Nanataki. The waterfall and the surrounding area are designated as a national natural monument.
This is terraced paddy fields in Yotsuya area. Over vertical difference of 200 meters, 22 farmers maintain 420 fields. The site is selected as one of Japan's top 100 terraced paddy fields. The color of the fields changes depending on the seasons.
Late 15th century to 16th century was a similar era. This is because even someone of a lower position could defeat someone of a higher position using military during that period. In 1575, the Civil War, called the Battle of Nagashino Shitagahara, occurred here. The battle was huge, and total 50,000 soldiers were involved.
The war was won by Tokugawa Ieyasu, who transformed a barren land into a big city called Edo, which is currently known as Tokyo.
He and his allies introduced a variety of tactics. The allied forces built house-locking stockades against the unbeatable cavalry. Further, they armed over 1,000 matchlock guns, which is not usual for this period. This is one of the reasons why this battle is special.
This is a historical museum where you can learn about the Battle of Nagashino Shitagahara. The rooftop is an observatory, and you can see the layout of the battle along with the explanation board.
This museum displays lots of replica of matchlock guns and house-blocking stockades.
You can try on samurai helmets and armor.
In order to comfort the soldiers through the rest of this battle, we have a festival on May 5th every year. Soldiers wearing armor demonstrate the shooting of matchlock guns.
First, please let us introduce about ourselves. I'm Kato Mizuki from Horaiji Junior High School. I'm in the 9th grade. I live in Nagashino. It takes about 30 minutes from here on foot. Nice to meet you.
I'm Namida Kimika. I'm Horaiji Junior High School. I'm in the 9th grade and live near here. Very nice to meet you. Now, please listen to an explanation about the battles of Nagashino.
Before this battle, swords and spears were mainly used, but matchlock guns started to be used from this battle.
Till now, locals protect this important battle's place precisely. There are a lot of historic sites around here.
We look forward to welcoming you. Thank you for listening.
The exhibits are mostly related to the Battle of Nagashino Shitagahara and a brave samurai named Toriisume, who saved the castle. Toriisume was a low-ranked samurai, retainer of a lord of Nagashino Castle, since its lord was allied with Ieyasu and it was located on nearby his castle. Nagashino was thought to be a key to capture the territory of Tokugawa Ieyasu in those times.
In 1575, Nagashino Castle was surrounded by an enemy force with 50,000 soldiers. They would soon run out of food if they had to keep holding the castle during the siege. The lord decided to ask Tokugawa Ieyasu for help, but it took one day to get where he resides. Surrounded by 50,000 enemies, it seemed almost impossible to sneak out from the castle without being caught. Toriisume volunteered this impossible task. He sneaked out from the castle under the cover of the dark, hid in the water stream, and then went over mountains. As soon as he reached Ieyasu's castle, he reported his lord's situation. Ieyasu said he would prepare 38,000 soldiers to help him.
He hurried back to Nagashino to inform his lord the good news. He tried to get back inside of the castle, but was caught by the enemies. As they knew the allied force was coming, they threatened Tsunemon and told him to tell his lord that no help was coming, so that they should be surrendered. Tsunemon pretended to accept their demand. When he was pulled out to the front of Nagashino Castle, he yelled that the help was on the way and should be there in a few days. The enemy got angry and killed Tsunemon. With this self-sacrifice of him, the soldiers in Nagashino Castle were encouraged to hang in and survive.
なぜ水堀にしたのかということですが、ここは山城ではないので敵に対抗できるようにというのがまず一つと、水堀にすることで何十メートルも先に長篠城がそびえているのを見たら、そこから城内に攻めることができないというのは要点です。
There used to be a shrine here. It enshrined a fox called Otora. The fox got injured in the Battle of Nagashino Shitaragahara. The stray bullets hit his left eye and left leg. People believed that if someone was haunted with the fox, his left eye and left leg got worse. To calm the fox's anger, the shrine started to enshrine the fox. The shrine has been moved to a place near here, and now it is said that the fox makes people's wishes come true.
Located 695 meters above sea level on the remnants of a 15-million-year-old volcano, the area is designated as a National Natural Monument and a special scenic spot. The mountain is very unique with unusual geological features. Rare birds such as the Japanese corpse or called Pupils are found here. Bu means Buddha, Po means Sutra, and So means priest, and they are seen as secret. You can also find flying squirrels making their home or giant cedars on this mountain.
Mount Horaiji is known as a place to enjoy beautiful autumn leaves from mid to late November.
There are 1,425 winding steps leading to the cliffside temple of Horaiji. The temple gives the mountain its name, Mount Horaiji.
Known as the power spot, Tokugawa Ieyasu's parents are said to have prayed here prior to his conception, and many claim miracles occurred following their pilgrimage to the temple.
Just in the east of Horaiji Temple, there is a shrine named Toshogu. It enshrines Tokugawa Ieyasu as a god. The shrine is painted red and topped with moss-covered thatch, which blends into the surrounding forest. Its walls are very gorgeous, with gold leaf decorations and elaborate wood carvings.